Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is an event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from December 14th to December 20th. Monday, December 15th from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m., there will be a student government meeting in room 106. Tuesday, December 16th, there will be a trip for 11th and 12th grade science courses to the DNA Center for lab work. Wednesday, December 17th, there will be a grade 7A trip to Pecos. Then, from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., we will have our annual winter concert. Be sure to show up and support our seawolves. Thursday, December 18th, there will be a grade 7B trip to Pecos. Friday, December 19th, there will be a student government sponsored dress down day. Please be sure to abide by all dress down day rules and guidelines and donate for future dress down days to take place. In addition to this, there will be a caroling trip to the JASA Senior Center from 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. And finally, high school dance residency practice will be held from 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. in the theater for select students. And that's it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you guys next time.